Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fahim Shahani. In this video, I'm going to discuss about egg inoculation. Introduction of egg inoculation. Egg inoculation is a common technique used in veterinary microbiology for the propagation and study of various pathogens, particularly viruses and bacteria. This method involves introduction of a pathogen into a fertilized egg. Typically, a chicken egg is used for this procedure to allow the pathogen to grow and replicate inside the fertilized egg. It has been particularly useful for isolation of the viruses and identification of different strains of viruses. Also, for the production of different kinds of vaccines and understanding the pathogen host interactions. Concept of egg inoculation. Egg inoculation involves the introduction of microorganisms into the embryonic development of a fertilized eggs. The embryonated eggs provide a controlled, sterile environment. The developing embryo can serve as a host for certain pathogens. This technique allows for virus isolation, virus growth, and virus study without the need for live animals. Types of egg inoculation. Here are the pictorial presentations of different types of egg inoculation. Intravenous inoculation. In this procedure, the pathogen is introduced into the bloodstream of embryo when the blood vessels are developed inside the embryo egg. Intra-amniotic inoculation. In this procedure, the pathogen is injected into the amniotic sac. Inoculation into the chorioallantoic membrane. In this procedure, the pathogen is introduced into the membrane surrounding the embryo inside the egg. Application in veterinary microbiology. Now we will study that where this egg inoculation procedure is amplified. The egg inoculation has various applications in veterinary microbiology. For example, this is used for virus cultivation and virus isolation mainly. Egg inoculation is a commonly procedure for the cultivation of different kinds of viruses like avian influenza, Newcastle disease, and infectious bronchitis virus. These viruses can replicate in the eggs and can create visible effects such as lesions over the egg or spots over the egg, or you may also observe the embryonic death inside the egg, which gives the identification and study of different kinds of pathogens like viruses. For vaccine production purpose, many vaccines, especially for viral diseases, are produced using egg inoculation method. The virus is cultured in the eggs. Viruses are harvested and then used to create vaccines. Vaccines like flu vaccine, which is commonly produced in the chicken egg, for research purpose are to check the virulency and pathogenicity of different kinds of pathogens. Researchers use egg inoculation to study how pathogens interact with host organism and to evaluate their virulence effect. By observing these things or these effects on developing embryo, scientists can gather information about disease propagation or progression. Techniques for egg inoculation. Egg inoculation require an sterile environment and a careful technique. Following are the steps which are used for this procedure. First of all, we have to perform the preparation of eggs. So for this, egg must be fertilized. We need a fertilized egg which contain embryo, and the age of embryo should be 7 to 10 days. Number 2, sterilization. In this procedure, sterilization techniques are applied to ensure the inoculation process does not introduce any contamination. which hinders the research or production of any kind of a vaccine. This includes sterilizing the surface of eggs and using sterilizing equipment. Inoculation procedure. These are the different types of inoculation procedure as I have already discussed before. Observation. After inoculation, eggs are placed in an incubator and observations are made at regular time or interval to monitor the effect of infection. This includes noticing any clinical sign in the embryo, such as change in appearance or abnormal development in the embryo or physically over the surface of egg. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video will be beneficial for you. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.